Virgo, y'all done popped twice. So I guess y'all say, listen, no more customers. What's going on with Virgos? I know that's right. Some people feel like y'all owe them something, Virgo. You was their mentor, honey. You owe them something, honey. And you told them that you was going to do so and so and such and such. However, the unseen realities are seeing that people are full of shit. And are doing no shadow work. Keep on sparking a flame, and every time you spark it in that darkness, they look for you to come to the rescue like that the mentor. Some of y'all getting tricked off that shit alone. Feeding off into that shit. Don't fall for it. It's a use you tactic. Trying to feed your ego because you ruled by the 6th house of service. Always looking to mentor people. Some of y'all baby fathers feel like that. Some of y'all baby fathers, my man told them y'all always gonna be there for them, even y'all ain't together. For the children's sake. However, ancestors said what they doing, you ain't about to be doing none of that because they need you. So, old buddy need to figure out that he's his own problem. Or old girl if yours is a baby's mama. 10 of Cups. Contentment. Teamwork. Making a dream work. Nobody's using anyone. Thinking they own something and supposed to dictate their lives for the rest of their lives like you're their mama. Lesson learned. It's on the 9. It's Virgo setting it down. Talk about I done learned, no more lessons here. Trying to be somebody's husband or wife, not nobody's mentor. Sexual attachments is the issue here. People are addicted to sexual promiscuity. Addicted to the devil. Even though the devil will end up restricting you in some way or some form. Have you just doing too much? Some people got rearranged. Dealing with too many women. Who gave you permission to rearrange me? Certainly not me. Who told you that it was alright to love me? Certainly not me. I was not looking for no love affair. And now you wanna kiss me. And now you wanna moan me. Hold me. I know you're trying to get creative with my love. And that's all cute, but you try to get a little tricky. Turn my back and you slip me a biggie. Some of them put y'all in 3 ways, but not really. You like, certainly not me. Bop. Trying to pair the virgin with the devil. It's not going to work. So some of them are under spiritual arrest because of their sexual attachments restricting them. Some of them overindulged in 3 ways. With actually 3 people in the bed, or 2 people, one-on-one, and another person that didn't know it was a one-on-one. Just thought they were the one-on-one. Some weird teamwork on the devil's side. That's how they do it. Virgo, focusing on your money. Focusing on being happy and safe. The Lovers. I say if a man cannot treat you like an uncle that loved you, didn't molest you or nothing, but made sure you had everything that you needed, he can't treat you like that, like your uncle treated you when you was a little girl. Don't even bother with that nigga. Go for all races. or racist. People walking away. Yes, oh my God. Deal with your shit, man. Deal with your shit. The reason they didn't let some of y'all know y'all was in the three-way because they knew you would never go for that shit. You are somebody that wants a one-on-one marriage or union and you're content with one person. You don't cheat. Contentment was the first shit that came up in here. One man, one penis, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We're celebrating 3 girls, but not having a 3-way. God's way and the devil's way. Okay? Devil way leave you in the 5 of Pentacles. You're restricted, you can't move. He ain't never got that money. Illusions, that's his thing, man. You see what I'm saying? Your sexual attachments, you're spiritually arrested because you're restricted from how many soul ties you got, and your money gone. Fucking with Virgos, that's what happens. That's why people should know. You can fuck with a Scorpio before you fuck with a Virgo. Especially one that ain't bothering you. What you sitting up lying to. Because you don't want to get rid of the Queen of Wands. Hold on to their love's divine femmes. Some of them is still married to these women's. Okay? And they're getting their water from you. They got the passion and the fire because they actually having sex. You praying and shit. And they feeding off of your light to keep their party going. And now you looking like this. Guess why? Because they like this. Judgment calls have been made. Yep. Some of y'all about to break in somebody real quick. Or it's going to be actual teamwork. Forget this whole road exists. And this motherfucker outside of the teamwork. It's going to be for real and not the devil's work to leave you worried with no money and spiritually under arrest and under divine judgment. Because you didn't do no shadow work. It's nobody's fault but their own. Virgo sitting on Ace of Pentacles, Sign of Offer, the Lover's card, and the Judgment. Ball is in your coat, Virgo, sitting up there praying all day for this food right here. Wasting all your lamp. You gonna need that oil in that lamp. It's dark outside. Spiritual warfare. Pain in the ass. Some of them know that. They have been a pain in the ass to you. I had you feeling like you was the pain in the ass. That's why you standing up there praying for them. Being Mary Magdalene. Now you got the Judgment on the Aries. Hold on, be strong, you're on. Move on, hold on. If you're feeling insecure, you can be sure. Some of y'all gonna end up with a King of Wands and you have a baby with him. It's gonna be your main thing. Yeah. They're gonna come to the door and knock. Some of y'all retrieve the ball from them. Energies, lying, talking about they coming. They ain't never coming. They stuck at the Nine of Cups. Because they always in the fucking Ten of Wands. With a Queen of Wands energy that they're married to. That they will not let go of. They just feed off you. Even you in this shit. Virgo. Some of y'all know that and let go. Woke up and was not feeling the same way. All of a sudden. It became real apparent and clear that this motherfucker left me in a 5 of tentacles as I thought. And still feeding off of me. From some distant area. High Priestess, you can feel it, can't you? Just got you in the... He got the whole world in his hand. You is the world, honey. Only thing making this nigga relevant in his Queen of Wands. The lovers who love stabbing each other up and having threesomes and then pretending in the public that they're only a 1-2 couple and that they're madly in love. While you sit there in contemplation, divine fam, waiting and waiting, and the blessing is somewhere waiting on you. I think you ought to get up, divine fam. Get up and get away. Yes. This must gonna be my last separation read. I ain't doing no more separation readings. Just singles, those in union, and self-development. And shit. That other shit got to go. I have zero understanding. The fool. So it's Howard and Dave if they're watching. I'm trying to do it. Now they're going to look for somebody else. Talk about she look like she ain't got that magic. She ain't got that magic. This is an apocalypse, people. Wake up. You don't know your person, Virgo. Because you're going to have enough oil in your lamp reserved to see them for exactly who they are, not for who you like them to be or what they're magically doing to you to make you think that they are what they are not. See if we got some good news coming. Oh, this channel, the good news channel, and do this shit. I'm done with that separation shit. People do a whole lot when you don't know where they at and what they doing. And the only time you feel them is when it's time to spark a flame or get it on. I do not think so. We are earth signs. That should drive us insane. We need it real. And we need it right now. I don't give a damn if we the virgin. Y'all tricked yourselves. Nobody never say the virgin don't get done after a while. She's just particular. She's a choosy lover. You know what I'm saying? You know? Emotions are running high. Somebody may be mad that you found out about it. Very soon, remember this. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now, but not the person you've been waiting on, someone new. Because you removed this person because they've been let go of you. They're just feeding off of you. They're busted. Soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. So the next person is just yes, and that's it. Two of Michael. They ain't in all that funny business. It would be better if you just make a decision. Over analyzing a problem, Virgo, find a compromise. So you can get your two of Michael, where it's only two of you and no third party that you're unaware of that they're married to and been married to for 20 years and shit. Call them in, Virgo. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So the time you spending off ID with somebody that ain't coming back, Mr. Magician Man or Mr. Magician Woman, now you got room. You can't live rent-free no more in your mind. You're in memory. If you have not done anything with that person in a year or two, you have no new memories. All you got is memories of what y'all used to be. So they get you stuck in nostalgia. So that they can keep taking your light, baby. End of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. You gotta have love in your heart when you call it soulmate in Virgo. Because you don't want to call in somebody when you pissed, call them in. Talk about, come on in here. And you end up with Jason and Freddy Krueger again. And very soon, you know, because they're going to go into separation. These people are studying the twin flame union just to get over on women. I swear, the ancestors told me that. It's like the end thing now. So they're going to use that. Everybody need a warm bed, honey. King of Michael, it's the apocalypse now. Wisdom and objectivity are important now. Stay in your integrity, a situation that calls for honest and open communication. They may call you because you hip to them. They know to get you out. Once Virgo turn off, it's hard to resurrect. It is hard to resurrect. I mean, Jay-Z is amazing. He has to be very good at what he does. Reliable, clever, educated, balanced. An excellent opportunity will be offered to your scholarships or the pursuit of education. Time to get to work, Virgo. Doing what you want to do instead of this shit. Missionary work. And then you even get missionary. You know what I mean? It's crazy, crazy. The wheel. New beginnings, end of delays, or change in direction that offers happiness. So some of y'all are decided y'all letting these turkeys go. Time to take action and get on the butter. Flirt. So you're going to be lighthearted with the new energy that come in. Getting to know one another. Ain't going to rush into nothing, Virgo. Even if it is your soulmate. Sometimes a woman is a soulmate. That's just a friend. So you're going to treat this the same way. Although you're not going to call them a friend because you don't want it to end up a lesson and not a blessing. Keep it light. Get to know people. What's your mama name? What drug was she on? What church did she go to? You know what I'm saying? Keep it real. Lay it bare. And then extend your lighthearted energy. And keep it that way so you don't end up the mentor all the fucking time and not getting paid because you're about to. Reliable, clever, educated, balanced, and excellent opportunity will be offered to you. Scholarships or pursuit of education. Time to get to work. Doing it the way that you want to, which means you're going to get paid and not just be, you know, a nun and shit. Or a priest for the Virgo man. All right, y'all. I pray y'all enjoyed this reading. If you like the vibe, please like, share, and subscribe. Love and light.